Okay, today it's gonna be another little van VW bus episode. We ripped our antenna off last year in summer, stuck in some bushes. It's a fairly, I replaced it already once. It was a fairly cheap one from eBay. So this time I was told the Hirschmann, the Hirschmanns are the original ones and they should last a little longer and should be a little more stable. We'll try. The tricky thing on that is, of course, you got to get the antenna cable from the bottom of this antenna to your radio in here. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna take off the light cover, what do you call that? This part. We take off one light. We take off the lid of the cockpit, and we take out the radio, and then we're gonna get the old cable out and the new cable in. So that's gonna be not that much of a problem. So yeah, let's get onto it. I hope that video helps you, and if you like it, I'm happy if you like it and consider subscribing the channel. Thank you. Okay, I got a little additional question to that antenna thing, and that is, what is that little key? That's not really a key, it's just a short screwdriver, flathead. What is that little key doing in all these boxes of antennas if you buy one? You know it? I didn't. What this key is able to do is, first of all, it is able to unscrew or screw this tip from the antenna. But I thought that's probably not the reason to put it there. But of course, what would you like to take that head off? I don't know. But the very best or the better reason for that key is, just found out while changing this antenna, there's a slot in case your antenna breaks off, and it's just the telescopic metal antenna part. You could use this little key or any other screwdriver to open this up from the bottom and then remove the whole antenna to the bottom, and not removing the casing and the antenna line to the radio. Next time I'll drive my antenna off. I double check first if there's a replacement for that part before I take the whole thing out. Good to know. See ya.